Hey gamers, welcome back! In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty not launching on Steam in simple steps. So, let's get started. First, let's check for corrupted files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click Call of Duty, and select Properties. Under Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This may take a few minutes, but it'll replace any missing or broken files. Restart Steam and try launching again. Next, let's ensure Steam has the right permissions. Close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam shortcut, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes, then restart Steam and launch Call of Duty. Sometimes, Windows settings interfere. Go to your Call of Duty game folder, usually in C, Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common Call of Duty. Right-click COD.exe, choose Properties, go to Compatibility, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching again. Outdated drivers can cause issues. Open Device Manager, update your graphics card driver, or use software like GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software. Also, go to Windows Settings, check for updates, and install any available patches. Restart your PC. That's it! Your game should launch now. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming fixes. Catch you in the next one.